In the neon haze, where the shadows crawl, old Joe Russo said, boy, beware it all. He showed me a warning nailed up to the wall. Said the elder's been scammed and the mighty might fall. Ooh, Elder Scam, your empire fades tonight. The choir sings against you. The truth will bring the light. From the barricades cry to the strings that mourn. The empire of truth is where wisdom's reborn. Voice on the wire, a promise in disguise, selling hope to the fragile with digital lies. But wisdom is watching like fire in the rain. The blues is the weapon, it cuts through the chain. Scam, your empire fades tonight. The brass will sound against you. The truth will win the fight. From the choir's chant to the thunder song, the empire of truth gonna right your wrong. Strings that rise and break, voices of the elders that no scam can take. Blues and the choir standing side by side. The truth is the current, the lie cannot hide. So sing it louder, let the ages hear. Elder Scam is broken, the empire's clear. Russo smile said, now you know the way. The blues and the truth are the dawn of day.